Hey guys, it's Marie with WTI. This smells so good.
This candle fits perfectly in a lot of different areas, from the living room area, dining room area, the kitchen counter. It's small enough where you can put it on the toilet. Really helps the smell in the bathroom. And if you want to close it, you can keep it closed for when you're not using it. There's a lot of possibilities for this. I really love it next to the fruits. It really brings out any piece of furniture. You can even put it on a hanging wall shelf, which would actually accent that really good as well. I love it.
So if you're looking for a candle that smells really good and has a really funny quote on it, I would definitely recommend this product. It's very nice and sturdy, and I just love it. It smells so good. I can't wait to light it, and that's my point of view.